How to scan QR codes on bottles and cans with iPhone. So first of all, on your iPhone or iPad, you want to open up the camera app like so. Then you want to go ahead and point the camera towards the QR code on your can, bottle, or whatever it is. It can just be any QR code. All you're going to want to do is put that towards the middle of the screen, make sure it's in focus. And once it is, you should see the link there's been created by the QR code at the bottom there. You want to go ahead and click on that link, then that will bring up the website that the QR code has linked you to. So that will happen on any type of QR code, different bottles, etc. They might look a bit different. For instance, this one here looks slightly different. All you're going to want to do is with that QR code symbol icon, go ahead and make sure it's in focus. It has to be in focus, and make sure it's center of the screen. Then you'll see that link there. Click on it, and then you'll be able to redeem the offer, gift, or whatever it is. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.